Today I am reviewing CYBERPOWERPC Gamer Master Gaming PC. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Welcome to this in-depth review of the CYBERPOWERPC Gamer Master Gaming PC, a powerhouse designed to deliver outstanding gaming performance, productivity, and immersive visuals. If you're searching for a desktop PC that can handle modern games, content creation, and multitasking with ease, the Gamer Master series is one of the best options available in 2023. Today, we'll explore everything the system has to offer, from its hardware and performance to design, connectivity, and overall value. Let's start with the heart of this gaming machine, the AMD Ryzen 5 7600 processor. Built on the cutting-edge AM5 architecture, this CPU features 6 cores and 12 threads with a base speed of 3.8 GHz, providing excellent multitasking performance for both gaming and productivity. Whether you're running demanding applications, streaming gameplay, or editing videos, the Ryzen 5 7600 ensures smooth and responsive operation without lag. Its combination of speed, efficiency, and thermal management makes it a standout choice for gamers and professionals alike. Paired with this powerful processor is the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060 8GB graphics card, which delivers stunning visuals, high frame rates, and support for ray tracing in modern games. The dedicated GPU ensures that AAA titles run smoothly at high settings while maintaining detailed graphics, realistic lighting, and vibrant colors. Whether you're playing fast-paced shooters, open-world RPGs, or competitive esports titles, the RTX 4060 provides the performance and graphical fidelity that serious gamers demand. Memory and storage are equally impressive on the Gamer Master PC. It comes with 16GB of DDR5 RAM, offering fast data transfer rates for multitasking and gaming. The 500GB PCIe Gen4 NVMe SSD provides lightning-fast boot times, rapid game loading, and ample space for your essential files. With support for additional storage upgrades, you can expand your system to meet future needs, ensuring this PC remains a long-term gaming and productivity solution. One of the standout features of the CYBERPOWERPC Gamer Master is its connectivity and I/O options. The system offers 6 USB 3.1 ports, 2 USB 2.0 ports, HDMI, and dual DisplayPort outputs, allowing you to connect multiple monitors, peripherals, and accessories seamlessly. It also includes Wi-Fi 8.0 2.11 AC and Ethernet support, ensuring fast and stable network connections for online gaming, streaming, or collaborative work. Audio enthusiasts will appreciate the 7.1-channel audio support, providing immersive sound for gaming, movies, or music. The design of the Gamer Master PC is another aspect worth noting. It features a tempered glass side panel, allowing you to showcase the internal components and RGB lighting. The customizable RGB case lighting adds a stylish and modern aesthetic to your gaming setup. The system even comes with a 7-color gaming mouse, giving you everything you need to get started right out of the box. For gamers and creators alike, the CYBERPOWERPC Gamer Master is an excellent combination of performance, style, and convenience. Its powerful Ryzen CPU, RTX 4060 GPU, fast DDR5 memory, and high-speed NVMe storage make it ideal for gaming, streaming, content creation, and daily computing tasks. The system is also backed by 1-year parts and labor warranty and free lifetime tech support, providing peace of mind and reliable service. In conclusion, the CYBERPOWERPC Gamer Master Gaming PC is a versatile and high-performing desktop designed for modern gamers, content creators, and power users. With its Ryzen 5 7600 CPU, RTX 4060 GPU, 16GB DDR5 RAM, and 500GB NVMe SSD, combined with Wi-Fi-ready, Ethernet, and multiple USB ports, this system provides everything you need for smooth gameplay, productive multitasking, and immersive entertainment. If you're looking for a gaming PC that offers speed, graphics, and expandability, the Gamer Master series is one of the best investments you can make in 2023.